Okay, we have another weather impact alert to tell you about. This one is going to be for wind across the entire state on Wednesday. Afternoon and evening is the time frame to watch. The wind is going to be for everyone in central Iowa, but also in the northern part of the state. Some snow and blowing snow could lead to some issues. We know that drill. Travel safely. Blowing snow, lowered visibility, and maybe even some snow squalls tucked away in there as well. Check out the winds as they arrive from western Iowa. Those are going to be strong. Some places could even exceed 50 miles per hour with some of the latest data checking in here. Time frame on this is going to be through the afternoon and evening with some of those strongest wind gusts in central Iowa. Take care out there on the travel scene. The wind alone is bad enough. You add in that snow that's going to be scurrying about, it can drop that visibility in a heartbeat. We'll look for that most prominently across the northern part of the state, north of Highway 20, and some places in eastern Iowa still have plenty of snow on the ground too. May run into some of the same issues.